Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can deactivate your Twitter account, or you can say X account. So for that you need to open your X application, and after coming to this home screen you need to tap your logo from the above. After tapping your logo you will find this option called settings and support. Tap here once, and then again you need to tap to settings and privacy, and you will be redirected to this screen, and from here you need to choose your accounts, and after that you need to choose deactivate your account. So as you can see here, you need to swipe down. There is an option called deactivate. Before deactivating or deleting your account, make sure that if you log in to your account within 30 days your account will be restored, but if you exceeded 30 days then your account will never be restored. So yeah, make sure keep that on in your mind before doing this. So yeah, that's how you deactivate your